Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and let me share with you how to reset the camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And it does not really matter whether you will be on the photo or the video mode because we will enter general settings. So let's tap on this settings icon, but before, I almost forgot to say, I hope that you can see the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. All we have to do, as I said, is to enter the settings and then scroll down to the bottom to find Restore Default. So let's tap on it and confirm it. And as you can see, we've got the very first evidence because our camera asks us about the location, so it's up to you, I don't want to share it. And the second evidence, we do not have the grid lines, which means that we just successfully reset all settings. Of course, camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.